everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you some of the tricks and other things that I have taught my bird and some things I have learned to do with him and things that I've changed since my last video about him. I still don't have a name for him, but I really want to choose a good one because he will live a long time as birds do. And so I want him to have a really good name that I will like even for like the next 30 years. So if you haven't already seen my first video, he is a pineapple green-cheeked conure, and I got him about almost 2 weeks ago. So now I will get to the little things I've taught him. After he goes and does something in his cage. At the start he didn't like his cage, but now he associates it with food and toys, and so he goes in there when he likes and he comes out when he likes. Okay. Come fly. Come fly. Good. Perch. Good. Spin around. Good. We're still working on the spin around thing. I just started him on that 2 days ago. So what I'm going to do is, over time of training him I'm going to progressively stop having him follow my finger. So then soon enough I can just do this or whatever. Or just say it and he'll do it. Spin around. Good. And I'm getting a clicker this week. So you'll see a lot of bird trainers, they have a clicker and they click it and the bird learns that noise means they did something good. And it helps them on top of giving them a seed or a treat and telling them good job. Step up. Good. Perch. Yep, good job. And I try to give him the treats like slowly. I don't want to just be shoving seeds in his face. He is small and he has a small beak, so I want to give them to him when he's ready. Come fly. Good. Perch. So like right now he's not ready to start flying, so I'm gonna wait for him. Perch. Good. Come fly. Good. Perch. Perch. Little hop. We'll get a small seed for that. Good job. And over time, I'd like to teach him to wave, and a whole bunch of other stuff. But for now, I'm just starting with the basics and other just fun stuff that is easy and good for him to start learning. Perch. Good. Spin around. Good. I normally just give him safflower seeds for his prize and other really small seeds. I don't like to overfill him on seeds because you might know how seeds are not healthy for the bird in any way, and it's important that you make sure your bird is not on an all-seed diet. Because having all seeds, it just gives them no nutrition and they're very high in fat. Perch? Good. So for my bird, in the morning, I start him off by giving him a whole bunch of vegetables processed together, like, in like a in a blender. So I just blend together like carrots, broccoli, all healthy vegetables, pepper, red bell pepper, all sorts of good stuff. And then to make him like it and to make him want to eat it, I put his favorite fruit or favorite vegetable. I mashed that up. So a few days ago I did sweet potato. He really liked that. And then today I did peach. And basically I just get a big, like half of a peach, and I mash it up, and then I mix it with all of the vegetables. There is more vegetables than peach in the mix, but there's enough peach to where he's wanting to eat it to get that amount of peach. But it's all mixed together, so he can't pick anything out. He also really likes raisins, I've noticed. I only feed him, like the all natural ones that don't have any added sugar or flavors. Spin around. Good. See, that's a raisin right there. He likes them because they're soft and easy to eat. Raisins are just grapes, so he's okay with them. Oh, but I didn't tell you in the afternoon after he's eaten. I do have in the morning I put in his vegetables, and then a little bit later after he's gotten started on that, I put in his pellets, fresh pellets from the bag, and then because pellets make up like 75% of their diet, and it's super important. So I give him that all day long. Some people will give them breakfast, then training in the middle so they get seed, and then dinner in the afternoon. But since with school most of the day, I leave him with pellets and vegetables. Spin around, spin around, spin around. Good. He likes to be turned around when he's eating his treat. Come fly. Good. Perch. Good. His favorite seeds are sunflower seeds and safflower seeds. But I don't give him sunflower seeds too much. I only give those to him when he does something really good. But he normally gets safflower seeds because they're not as bad as sunflower seeds. Perch? You ready? Good. Okay, so I changed his cage a little bit. It's really dirty in here. I'm about to clean it, but this is it before cleaning. This perch for him, this is all dried vegetables right here. He rubs his beak on this and he just gets it disgusting. So I have to really clean that, really scrub it. And I have to clean out the tray. I try to clean his cage every day, or if I can't do it every day, every other day. But yeah, I did change one thing. I got this comment here, very helpful, thank you, from BirdieLover. And they said how I should take out the hut because of how it is dangerous for them and they can get tangled and strangled in it. And I took it out. You can see it just got dirty and he never used it once, no matter where I put it. And I completely understand how he could get his talons stuck in here. So I took that out, and thank you for that helpful comment. I always appreciate when people give me helpful advice. So he doesn't have that anymore, and he just sleeps on this squiggly branch I put up here. He just sleeps right up there. They like to be up somewhere high in the cage when they sleep. So I took that out, and I've been making him a lot of his toys. But you can see some of the toys I've made. I made this one a long time ago before I even had him. It has a bunch of paper on it. I don't really like it that much with how it has ink on it. He doesn't really play with it, but also has these logs. He likes to chew those. And it has a few bells, but the bells are like enclosed, so he can't get those in his mouth or anything. I also made him this mess. This is just a paper towel, and then I tied these toilet paper like things on it, and he, as you can see, he rips that. He loves ripping that. It's good for them to have shredding toys. I also made him these two things. They're just toilet paper tubes that I cut a hole in, I bent, and I made them like, I put confetti in them so he can pull it out, rip it out, and I hide seeds in there. You can see the sunflower seeds. And those are what I've made. I also make foraging toys, and I made this cardboard toy. But I make a lot of his toys because I like to make him toys that he can just destroy, and he can destroy store toys, but when I make the toys, I really know what he likes more than I can find at a store. So I like to make toys. I will have a video on him, like how to make different toys soon enough. I'm just trying to figure out a whole bunch of toys. With the toilet paper though, sometimes it's better to use paper towel because this like dissolves really quickly in water, and so like if they're holding it in their mouth for a long time, this guy just rips it. He doesn't hold it in his mouth. But if your bird like likes to hold stuff in his mouth and like chew it and rip it more, it might not be good because it could dissolve in his mouth and then he's eating toilet paper. So that's something to avoid. It's better to use paper towel if your bird likes to hold it in his mouth. And with the cardboard, I always make sure that it has no tape, nothing, just cardboard. And with the toilet paper tubes, make sure it has no toilet paper. Sorry I'm shaking like that. It's because he's grabbing my phone and pulling it around. He loves my phone case. He's doing it right now. So, that's kind of an update on his cage, and I'm going to clean it right now, so hang on a moment. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I just wanted to give a big thank you to all of you for just being very supportive and watching my videos and leaving me likes and everything. It's super cool seeing how many people really like creatures all over the world, and I'm really excited to be giving you some content with animals in it. So, I will see you next time. I am going to be trying to post videos every Tuesday and Thursday. I might start like every Tuesday, but not every Thursday, or the other way around. But I'm going to try to get in Tuesday and Thursday as being my posting days. So thanks for watching, and I will see you Tuesday if everything works out.